The main difference between two popular investment options lies in their investment objectives. The Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF tracks the performance of the top 100 high-quality and dividend-yielding U.S. stocks, which typically have a strong track record of paying dividends on time. In contrast, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF focuses on the overall U.S. stock market, covering the largest 500 publicly traded companies, thus offering more investment options. The Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF primarily focuses on high-yielding dividend stocks, which tend to be more financially stable, resulting in lower risks and volatility for investors. This is unlike the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, which covers a broader range of stocks, including both large and small markets, leading to higher risks and volatility. Consequently, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF has lower investment risks and volatility. In terms of yields, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF currently offers an annual investment yield of approximately 3.41%, whereas the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF offers around 1.36%. This means the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF provides a higher return on investment. Despite their differences, both options share some similarities. They are both exchange-traded funds, offering equity market diversity, with the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF featuring 100 stocks and the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF featuring 500. Additionally, both provide dividend income to investors. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on individual preferences. The Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF is appealing due to its focus on more established stocks, resulting in a more predictable market with lower risks and potentially higher profits. On the other hand, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF is favorable for those seeking to optimize and grow their stock market shares, as it encompasses all U.S. stocks and offers more investment diversification options. Both options are equally good, but the